I'm out by Parrot Castle outside of Whitehall, Montana. I've got a couple giants here for you. Here we've got one, and let's see, right there's the right eye, that's the nose, and then that's the mouth kind of smirking, and that's the whole head right there, and the rest of the body kind of makes up the landscape that I see in front of me, the river, and then directly above it got this weirder looking guy here. There's one eye, there's another eye, that's the nose, that's the hair, this is his face, goes down to a kind of a hairy neck. And then next to him we got one eye, two eye, nose, we got the mouth. And next to him we got one eye, another eye, we got the nose and the mouth. And then the next guy is what I kind of giants go, it's the whole head here. There's one eye, another, and there's his nose. His nose is actually a mine. That's actually a mine entrance there. You can kind of make it out. Right there's the mine entrance. It's his nose, and then his mouth is down here. And then that's his forehead. Well, his forehead is also a guy reaching out. You can see it. There's one eye, another eye, mouth, and he's reaching his hand out. And there's his hand. And his fingers are all there. Yeah. And then this giant face, actually, we used to run our cars up it. There's a road right here we used to run our vehicles up it. It's really steep. Well, that's the left jaw, and that's the right. And there's the head, there's the right eye, the left eye. There's the nose, and then the mouth, and it's kind of, it's like he's puking something out there, it looks like. But yeah. And that intermingles with the woman-looking giant. The eye, the right eye, the nose, and then the smiling mouth. It goes up, and eye, nose, mouth, with the jawline. It's interesting, but I'll show it from a few different distances and try and show you all what I'm seeing here. And there's a couple other guys I could point out. Thanks for watching.